In this problem, we are asked to evaluate the limit as x goes to 0 plus of the function tangent of x to the power 8x cube. Let us determine the limit as x goes to 0 plus of the function tangent of x to the power 8x cube. Firstly, we notice that the limit as x goes to 0 plus of 8x cube is 0. Moreover, the limit as x goes to 0 plus of tangent of x is 0. Then, we have an indeterminate form of the type 0 to the power 0. In order to resolve this indeterminate form, we define the function y as follows. We set y equal to tangent of x to the power 8x cube. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks to those who have already done so. We will study the limit of logarithm of y. The logarithm of y is equal to 8x cubed times logarithm of tangent of x. The limit as x goes to 0 plus of the logarithm of y is equal to the limit as x goes to 0 plus of 8x cubed times logarithm of tangent of x, which equal to 0 times negative infinity. This is still an indeterminate form. We will use the L'Hospital rule to solve this issue. This is due to the fact that the limit as x goes to 0 of logarithm of x is negative infinity. In order to apply L'Hospital rule, we first have to rewrite logarithm of y as a quotient. And then, take the limit as x goes to 0 plus of the derivative of the numerator as well as the derivative of the denominator. The derivative of the numerator logarithm of tangent of x is the fraction secant of x to the power 2 over tangent of x, and the derivative of the denominator over 8x cube is minus 3 over 8 over x to the power 4. We simplify the numerator of logarithm of y as x to the power 4 times secant of x to the power 2 and the denominator as minus 3 over 8 times tangent of x, and take their limit as x goes to 0 plus. We see that both limits are still 0. Consequently, we still have to repeat the process one more time. The derivative of x to the power 4 times secant of x to the power 2 is 2x to the power 4 times secant of x to the power 2 times tangent of x plus 4x cubed times secant of x to the power 2, and the derivative of minus 3 over 8 times tangent of x is minus 3 over 8 times secant square of x. When we take the limit as x goes to 0 plus of 2x to the power 4 times secant of x to the power 2 times tangent of x plus 4x cubed times secant of x to the power 2, the result is 0. And the limit as x goes to 0 plus of minus 3 over 8 times secant square of x is minus 3 over 8. In sum, the limit as x goes to 0 plus of logarithm of y is 0. As a result, the limit as x goes to 0 plus of tangent of x to the power 8x cube is equal to the limit as x goes to 0 plus of exponential of logarithm of y, which is equal to 1. Thank you for viewing this video. Please subscribe to our channel. We have an extensive collection of calculus-related videos covering limits, derivatives, integration, and many other calculus topics.